Hello everyone, I found a couple of Armstrong Air Concept 1200s. Here's this one. This one has been running. I think it's got a cope and scroll compressor. Definitely has been running. It's from 1995. This looks similar to the Armstrong Air at the bank. Here's this one. This one's running. Same scroll compressor. It's 1995. Very cold and sweaty. Liquid line subcooling. There's a refrigerator component down there. Yeah. Get a good shot at them. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.